Hello everyone, my name is Akshay. Today I will discuss with you on the topic of investigator brochure. So, investigator's brochure is a comprehensive document used in clinical trials to provide essential information about an investigational product, typically a drug or medical device, to investigators and healthcare the professionals involved in the study. The IB serves a critical reference for those conducting clinical research, ensuring that they have all the necessary information to conduct trials safely and effectively. So, it contains some key components like introduction, which this is the section provides an overview of the investigational product, its development history and purpose of the clinical trial. Then table of contents, a listing of the main sections and subsections within the IB to help users navigate the document. Then investigational product and description or investigational product description. So it is the detailed information about the investigational product, including chemical composition, formulation and dosage form of its. Then pharmacology and mechanism of action, an explanation of how the investigational product works, its intended therapeutic target and its effect on the body. Then preclinical data, data from laboratory and animal studies that demonstrate the safety, pharmacokinetics and efficacy of the investigational product. Then clinical pharmacology, information of pharmacokinetics, that is absorption, distribution, metabolism and elimination of the investigational product in humans, including data from various clinical trials. Then clinical efficacy, a summary of any clinical trials conducted with the investigational product, including data on its efficacy, dose response, relationships, and patent or patient outcomes. Then safety data, information of safety profile of the investigational product, including adverse events or side effects and any known risk. Then regulatory information, details about the regulatory status of the investigational product, including any approvals, orphan drug status or patents. Investigational plan, an outline of the proposed clinical trials, including its objectives, design, endpoints, and patient populations. Then study conduct, guidance on how investigators should conduct the trial, including dosing instructions, monitoring requirements, and safety assessments. Then informed consent, templates or information related to the informed consent process for study participants. Then references. References is a list of citations and sources used to compile the information in investigator's brochure. The investigator's brochure is a living document, meaning it is updated throughout the development of the investigational product as a new information becomes available. This helps ensure that the investigators have access to the most current and accurate information during the course of the clinical trial. Thus, the preparation and maintenance of investigators' brochure are essential for regulatory compliance and for the safety and ethical conduct of clinical trials. It's typically the responsibility of sponsor or manufacturer of the investigational product to create and maintain the IB. Thank you.